Welcome, everyone, to our lesson on prepositions of place. Today, we'll be focusing on three important prepositions: at, in, and on. These prepositions help us describe the location of objects or people. So let's get started. First, let's talk about at. We use at when we want to specify a particular point or location. For example, we say, "I'm at the park," "She's at the library." Next, we have in. We use in when we're talking about being inside a space or enclosed area. For instance, we say, "The book is in the bag," "They are in the classroom." Lastly, we have on. We use on when we're talking about surfaces or when something is touching a surface. For example, we say, "The cup is on the table," "The picture is on the wall." Remember, these prepositions of place help us provide specific details about where things are located. Let's do a quick review. Great job, everyone! You've learned how to use at, in, and on to describe the position of objects and people. Keep practicing and using these prepositions in your everyday conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Remember to subscribe for more videos.